Congratulations for making it through such an incredible journey. Congratulations to my favourite pair of doctors, Dr. Lydie and Dr. Hazal. I am so proud of you both. Congratulations for making it through such an incredible journey.
Hi Dr. Lydie, hi Dr. Hazal. Congratulations.
Congratulations, I hope you have the best evening ever.
Journey to Med, a social mobility organisation dedicated to empowering young minds in academics and medicine. At just 22 years old, it became creative strategist at Art and the London and has been recognized with prestigious accolades such as the YouTube Voices Creator Class 2022, UK Student of the Year.
For coming out here to celebrate with us and support us. If you're in this room today, it means that you played a part in our journey to there. And yeah, who's ready to have some fun?
Lydie, I remember meeting you on the front exchange and you're 12, listening to play rap on the quota. Now you're a doctor. Yeah. Smashed it, legend.
Amazing! I'm so happy to celebrate for my loved ones and all my friends. Hazal's literally everywhere but here. She's trying so hard. Hazal! Just like this for the past 5 years, you know.
It's going good. The party's amazing. I'm so happy that all my friends and family are here. They look splendid, they look beautiful, and they've been taking some pictures with you all, but now it's time for speeches.
We're also so proud of you, Dr. Lydie and Dr. Hazal.
Wow!
And so lucky to have you guys as friends in my life. So I've known Lydie and Hazal when they joined my sixth form. I don't think at the start we thought we were going to be friends, but here it is 7 years later. I remember first being introduced to Lydie in the small hall, and then I met Hazal later, and then we started to become good friends in year 12.
Believe it or not, Hazal was shy when I first met her. So it's been amazing to see her grow and come into her shell. Hazal's been such a great friend, and sometimes you realise you're only friends with someone because of proximity, but somehow our friendship has survived because she's still obsessed with me. It's been amazing to see just how far and how much they've grown. They've inspired so many people through their YouTube channel, through their events, through everything. It's been great to see just how much you guys have grown and impacted so many different people.
I met Lydie and Hazal during our placement in Essex. In fact, Hazal and I were flatmates for 3 months. I take inspiration from Lydie. her discipline in her work, always pushing herself towards her goal. I take inspiration from Hazal's absolute determination to put work out there that is nothing less than perfection. Lydie's devotion to her faith has inspired a lot of my own. Hazal's compassion has always floored me, her loyalty towards her family and friends. She swallows her own needs just to be there for them. Yes, Hazal, that includes the fact that you were stung by a jellyfish to save Lydie and my life. I love you both and can't wait to see all the amazing things I'm sure you will conquer. You'll be a force to be reckoned with at work.
Lydie has a way of making an impact in the lives of everyone she's close to. She is not only an inspiration but also a testament of what dedication and passion can achieve. As we celebrate this milestone, I want to say a little prayer to Lydie. May you never lose courage and chase your dreams and reach for the stars. Amen. And whenever you face doubt or challenges, may you always look around and find comfort in the people who love you. Amen. We will always be here cheering you on and supporting you in every step of the way. Congratulations, Lydie and Hazal. Here's to an incredible future.
The drive and the motivation to achieve every single thing you set your mind to is like no other. And I'm so happy that you also introduced us to Hazal. It's been wonderful watching your journey to Med and seeing how much you've grown from when you just started. And sorry.
And I want to dedicate my speech to my best friend. So yeah, I just want to thank you, Lydie, for sticking by my side, even when I've had my quirky days, even when I've had my not so nice days. And I can't wait to continue to grow and blossom with you. And I just know that we are a force to be reckoned with. And give it 5-10 years, I can't even begin to imagine everything we will have achieved together. But more importantly, I pray that we just continue to become closer friends and sisters like we have.
But first and foremost, guys, God is good all the time. I want to thank you for always being there for me, for being my sister, for being my friend, my business partner, my co-worker in my very, very down days and also in the happy days as well. And I also want to thank everyone in this room. You guys don't realise this, but you're actually an answered prayer. I used to pray for good friends that will be on my side every day. And thank you for the love, thank you for the support. It doesn't go for granted. I appreciate all of you and all the memories and stories we all had together.
Before we end the night, there's a little something special for you. As a token of appreciation. Honestly, you're truly sensational, and you said I've inspired you, but you guys have inspired me. So I know that the next step is going to be greater milestones, greater achievements, bigger doors, bigger blessings, and I'm just so excited to continue to follow your journey. And if you're here in the room with me, would you raise a glass or just put your hands together for these two amazing women, Lydie and
Joanna.